Okay, so today we're going to show you how to install the CCI chrome grill inserts to a 2010 Traverse. It's pretty simple. This is literally just inserts. They clip in some two-sided 3M tape here. We've already cleaned the surface. This is all nice and clean, rubbing alcohol on the parts where the 3M tape is going to sit. So we're going to peel the 3M tape right now. Okay. So after peeling the 3M tape, you can see that there's two snap clips in here. They just, one right there, one there. So what you're going to do is go in from the bottom and then clip it in. It's literally quick installation. You can see it's only going to go in one way. There's no way you can really set this off. And literally just press down. One in quite right. And literally that easy. Two-sided tape will stick down and your chrome insert is installed. That's just the upper one. Now we're going to go for the lower one. Alright, same thing with this one. You just start from the one edge, line it up. Pop it in. Make sure it's sticking all the way in. So it should not be sticking that far out. Hold these in for a little bit, and your inserts are installed. So I know the video is a little dark, but really just pop them in one at a time. You can see they only go in one way. This literally took about 30 seconds after cleaning the surface with alcohol. You leave some fingerprints on the chrome. So what I'm going to do is actually polish out the trim real quick and just wipe it down to make sure it's all nice, clean, fit, and finish. But, I mean, literally, they're in, they're not going anywhere, they're not just going to pull back. They have a pretty good fit and finish. The bottom edge actually sticks out a little bit on these. I mean, 2 feet away, you're not going to notice. If you're right up against it, you can tell that this isn't factory, but just the chrome finish. It's what adds a little bit more of a look if you don't like the black. Really quick 30-second install. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you, and stay subscribed for a lot more videos like this one.